snack this evening, we would love to offer you one of our grilled chicken sandwiches, but we don't have any. Yes, listen. Ladies and gentlemen, we do have over 34 beverages available for your enjoyment today. In your Sky magazine in your seat pocket in front of you, please check page 146. We also have a list of beer, wine, and other cocktails available for purchase. You may use your major credit or debit card for purchases. Ladies and gentlemen, we do have two snack boxes available. One snack box has salami, cheese, crackers, and other items, and the other snack box has vegetarian meal available. All these items are listed on page 146 in the Sky magazine in your seat pocket. Ladies and gentlemen, just one announcement as a reminder. If you play a movie during this flight or any type of games, it is necessary to use your own personal headset so that you don't disturb passengers seated around you. For your convenience in our main cabin, your two restrooms are located at the very back on either side. This is the most important part. We have 3 complimentary snacks to choose from: pretzels, peanuts, or cinnamon cookies. Please memorize it. We can't say it again. Pretzels, peanuts, or cinnamon cookies. Thank you.
Настроение у нее.
Да, мы должны сэндвичи, но у нас их нету. Кстати, это записалось. Да.
Да?
Ну, я
Это хорошо.
потом можно показать.
We will dim cabin lighting for takeoff. If you need a reading light, press the button above your seat with a light bulb on it.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are number 1 for takeoff. Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for departure. We'll be taking off to the northwest, and then we're on our way eastbound in 1 hour and 58 minutes once we're aboard.
тебе в ТикТоке заложил.
Что наверх?
А вон, смотри, вон город. Даунтаун. Видишь, небоскреб.